exam but could not enroll herself in a reputable medical college due to this corrupt system.
Corruption is a pervasive issue in India that affects many aspects of society and governance. A 2005 study found that over 62% of people in India had experienced paying bribes or influence peddling to get services from public office.
With this kit, we all will get to know how unity and being together can bring a positive change in our society.
The stage is a sacred space where we can explore the human condition. Drama has the power to shape our thoughts and feelings.
Drama helps students express themselves effectively and confidently. It encourages creativity, fosters imagination and creativity through improvisation and storytelling.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is our pleasure to present the next performance of today. Please join me in welcoming the talented cast of skit We Should Move Together Unitedly to the stage. This engaging skit promises to captivate your imagination and leave you spellbound. Let's welcome to our performers. Performing as the announcer of the skit.
I'm Shweta, performing as farmer's daughter.
I'm Silpa, performing as a receptionist.
I am Achal, performing as mother.
I am Khushbu, performing as a reporter.
I am Sarah, performing as an assistant of Netaji.
I am Surjit, performing as a farmer.
I am Raghuveer, performing as SHO.
I am Tejveer, performing as a constable.
I am SK Bansal, performing as principal.
I am Balveer Singh, performing as minister.
Sometimes it's very hard to move on. But once you move on, you will realize it was the best decision you have ever made. If everyone is moving forward together, success takes care of itself. Good morning, everyone. This is Atika. Today standing here as an announcer of the skit entitled We Should Move Together Unitedly. Before we begin the skit, I would like to give you a brief overview. This skit depicts a story of a farmer's daughter who passes the NEET exam and hopes to enroll in a reputable medical college. However, she encounters challenges because she cannot afford the required donations, which hinders her admission. The skit illustrates the helplessness of the farmer and his daughter. Despite her talent and hard work in passing the NEET exam, she is unable to secure admission in a medical college due to financial issues. Without taking too much of your time, I would like to invite my team members to begin with the first scene of the skit. Here's the first scene. Let's enjoy it.
Look at my sweet child, without water. Sorry, my child, I should not have left you this way for 2 long days. But you don't worry, my child, I'll never leave you again. I'll take proper care of you.
What is this? You always talk to your plant. Don't you have time to talk to me?
Okay, Baba, okay, but why you are shouting at me?
You never want to come out of your world. You are lost in. I feel I'm alone in this world.
Papa, where are you, Papa? Good morning, Papa. Good morning,
Shweta.
Mom.
If I talk about Shweta, she always busy in her studies.
How are you, Papa?
I'm absolutely fine, Sweta. What about you?
Papa, can I borrow your mobile only for 2 minutes to see the result of NEET?
Okay, Sweta, you can use my mobile to see your result.
Oh, thank you so much, Papa.
Okay, Sweta, but make it fast.
Roll number 1292786. Congratulations, dear Shweta. for both of you today.
What is that news, Sweta?
I have cleared my NEET exam.
Oh my God. Congratulations, Sweta. I'm so proud of you. Excellent, Sweta. I wish to see you as a good doctor in the years to come. We are so proud of you, Sweta. I'm so happy today.
But Papa, I want to get admission in medical college for MBBS.
Sweta, what is this MBBS?
Mom, MBBS is a degree. After doing this, I can become a doctor.
Wow, my daughter will become a doctor.
Papa, you do one thing. You go to St. Stephen's College. It's a medical college and I want to get admission in that college.
But Sweta, as I surmise, nowadays admissions are getting dead by the counselings. You do one thing. Tell me the last date of the counseling, then I will see.
Oh yes, you are absolutely right. As I can recall, the last date is 11th November.
Oh, okay, Sweta. I will definitely get you admitted there. But right now, I have to do my field work, so please.
Okay, you can, Papa.
After 2 days.
Papa. What are you doing this, Papa?
What happened, Sweta? I am doing my work. Let me finish this.
I'm here to ask about my admission. Didn't you apply for counseling?
Oh my God, Sweta. I totally forgot about that because I'm busy in my field work. Now you tell me, what should I do now? I have no choice left.
Mom, where are you, Mom?
What happened, Sweta?
This always happens with me. Papa has completely forgot about counseling. Now it seems to him that my future is in trouble.
Okay, I will do something. आज ही सुनते हो, कभी हमारी भी सुन लिया करो.
क्या है?
What have you done? Didn't you apply for counseling?
I know it's all my fault. I'm really sorry. You know I'm a farmer and I have to do a lot of work.
Now tell me, how would she get admission?
Okay, Baba, you don't worry. I'll do something. I'll go to that college and talk to the higher authorities about the admission. You do one thing. Tell this Sweta that she'll bring all the required documents to me right now.
Okay. Sweta, give me your documents.
Yes, Mom. Here are all my required documents.
Thank you, Sweta. Take this.
You don't worry, I'm going there.
At his daughter's request and insistence, the farmer visits the medical college to discuss her admission. The next scene unfolds from here.
लोकल में तो एमपी के वर्क को फाइल करना हाँ लेकिन देखो मैं तक आऊँगा ना अभी रोज परसों मार्केट देखूँ तो नंबर हाली में फोन
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Ma'am, my name is Surjit and I came here for my daughter's admission in a college. May I speak with Mr. S.K. Bansal?
Yes, sir, you can meet Mr. S.K. Bansal, but right now he is busy with his manager.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Can I visit our college?
Yes, sir, you can visit. It's all yours.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Welcome, sir.
Wow, what a beautiful building it is. What a mind-blowing infrastructure and what a beautiful campus. My daughter will surely fulfill her dreams by getting admission in this college. Wow, what a beautiful college.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can meet Mr. S.K. Bansal.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Welcome, sir.
Sir, may I come in?
Yes, please come in. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir. Sir, my name is Surjit and I came here for my daughter's admission in your college. And let me tell you, she also secured good marks in NEET exam. But sir, unfortunately, we lost our last date of counseling. Is there any other solution?
Are you mad? Are you crazy? The last date for the counseling was 11th and you are coming today on 12th.
Yes, sir, I know about that. But sir, you know, I'm a farmer and I have to do a lot of work. That's why I forgot about this.
Look, Mr. Surjit, now there is no vacancy left in our college.
But sir, my daughter is brilliant and after passing the NEET exam, how can I deny her admission?
Mr. Surjit, if you are interested, I have 2 reserved seats that are reserved for our ministers. If you want your daughter's admission in our college, you can give donation to our college. After that, I can think about your daughter's admission.
What? Donation? Donation to your college? But why should I give donation to your college? It's our right. We are entitled to get admission in a good college like yours. And you are asking for donation. It's not right, S.K. Bansal. You are doing very wrong.
Now you will teach me how to do my job. Hey mister, you are crossing your limit.
Okay, sir, now please don't be angry. But tell me, how much donation do you want for the admission? Tell me.
It's beyond your imagination. It's 25 lakh rupees.
What? 25 lakh rupees? It's not a donation, it's a bribe. You are doing wrong, SK Bansal. I'll make a complaint against you.
Do whatever you like. Get out of here, you villager. I don't want to see your face.
I'll go to police station to complain. I'm going there.
Hey, Miss Silpa, come here.
Yes, sir.
You don't know whom to send inside? Next time, be careful.
Yes, sir. Next time I will be carefully.
When the father returns home disappointed, the daughter eagerly asks about the college visit, whether she secured her admission or not. When he reveals the truth, she insists, "Daddy, do whatever it takes for me to get admission in medical college." The next scene is here. Have some water.
अरे जूस पिला दो ना मौसम्बी का, तुम्हारे पास पानी पन रहता है.
Juice nahi hai.
Papa, did I get admission in medical college?
No, Sweta, no. They are asking for a donation of 25 lakhs. Now you tell me, how can I give them 25 lakhs?
So what, Papa? If they're asking for the donation of 25 lakh rupees, you should give to them. I know we cannot get admission anywhere. That our entire system is corrupt now.
What, Sweta? Why don't you understand that small thing that I don't have that much money to give you that per person?
Papa, you don't understand. It's my dream to become a doctor. I know we don't have that much amount to give. We are not that much rich, but you have to arrange the money from anywhere.
Okay, Sweta, you don't worry. I'll do something. I'll go to police station to complain.
Do whatever you want to do, but I want to get admission in that college.
Don't worry, Sweta. Your father will fix everything. Seeing his daughter's helplessness, he reassures her, "Don't worry too much. I will go to the police station and file an FIR against SK Bansal so that action can be taken against him." The next scene takes place at the police station where the SHO mistreats the farmer and refuses to file an FIR against SK Bansal so that action can be taken against him.
Hey,
Sorry, sir. दिया गन्ना करेंगे नाल नाल पे. सर प्लीज थोड़ा ले भाई, तू ही खा ले. थैंक यू सर. तेजवीर,
Yes, sir. Jai Hind.
how many cases have we received today?
Sir, 2 cases only.
Only 2?
Yes, sir.
what was that? Mangalu from Dhamala for chain snatching? Popatlal from Patpatbas for robbery? Good morning. Who are you, gentlemen?
Sir, my name is Surjit and I am
Huh?
from Mewat.
I'm not interested in your biography. So what's wrong with you?
Sir, I came here to make a complaint against SK Bansal.
What? Complaint against Mr. S.K. Bansal? That principal?
Yes, sir.
You know what are you saying? He's a very big man.
Yes, sir. You heard it right. Yes, I said SK Bansal.
Tejvi, just listen to him. He says he wants to lodge complaint against Mr. S.K. Bansal. He has gone mad. He has lost his senses. He is sensible.
Sir, how you are talking? You are an SHO. Please behave like that. You are a public servant.
Tejvi is talking about our behavior now.
Sir, shall I arrest him?
No, Tejvi, just listen to him. Hey, okay. What's the matter with you?
Look, sir, I want admission of my daughter in medical college and they are asking for a donation of 25 lakhs. Now, you tell me, how can I give them bribe?
So what? It's a very common thing now. Just give donation to him if you want admission for your daughter.
What?
Simple.
What you are saying, officer? Please behave sensibly. Be eatable. My daughter has already secured good marks in NEET exam. And after cracking the NEET exam, how can I give them bribe? You tell me.
Look, that's your... Look, that's your problem. Why are you wasting our time?
It's your duty, officer. I came here for seeking help from you to take action against SK Bansal, and you are doing nothing.
Now you will teach me how to do my job. Tejveer, just take him out of here. Otherwise, I'll put him
Sir,
behind the
I want
bars.
to lodge an
Get
FIR.
out of
Sir,
here.
please listen to me, sir.
I said get out. Sir, cool down. Cool down. Sir, may I go to washroom? Brother, come this side.
What happened
Come this
now?
side. I have a solution for your daughter's admission in medical college.
Is it possible?
Yes, that's why I have taken you aside from the eyes of SHO.
Brother, please tell me how it can be possible.
Do one thing, you give me 10,000 rupees, then I will try to convince SHO for taking action against Mr. SK Bansal.
What? Well, brother, I think you're also a corrupt person. Look, brother, I don't have that much money to give you.
So why are you wasting our time? Get out from here. कहाँ से आ जाते हैं?
In the next scene, he approaches a political leader,
hoping he can help secure his daughter's admission. But the irony is that the minister is illiterate and totally dependent on his assistant. Minister himself doesn't know how to address the audience, but today he is supposed to face the media. So the scene is here.
excuse me sir, media people wants to meet you.
No. I can't face the media public.
Sir, you please come, I will manage for you.
Okay, if you insist.
Dear media, now our respected Netaji is here. Now you all may come up with your questions one by one.
Good morning, sir. I am Khushbu, the chief reporter of 8 West Times. I am here to ask you certain questions. Can I?
अरे छोरी तू ज्यादा इंग्लिश मत झाड़ी आज जा सुबह सुबह से माथा खराब कर लू न खाण दी न पीण दी ले डोले डंठर सामने
Netaji, please calm down.
अरे लाली तू इतनी बड़ी ना हुई अभी अपना काम से काम रख और जल्दी बोल कहा बोलनो अभी मो ब्याह में लुक जानो और हुन फकर भर के रिश्तों पे पड़ो हुन भी जानो जल्दी बोल
Netaji, please behave sensible and face the media.
अरे हट असाइनमेंट तो हिंसू बोलते रहे चपड़ चपड़ लगा रही बातन में
But sir, it's not assignment, it's assistant.
अरे हम पे पतो हमन ना है तू ज्यादा अंग्रेजन
Netaji, where were
तो कहा लेना मेरे बारे में पूछ के नहीं वेर वेरी बोन
Netaji, do you know what is happening in your constituency?
तो है ना पता कहाँ चल रहा सब सही चल रहा देखियो क्या हंस रहे हैं सब अरे तेरे काठे को ले रखो मेरो ही और तुम नू बता बाड़ा में कौन सा शैम्पू लगा जो तेरी जुल्फे ही ना संभलने में आ रही है कभी नू कर रही है हाजन
Netaji, may I ask more question? No more questions now. Sir. Netaji, please take one more question only.
अरे आप भी पूछ लेंगे
What is democracy?
डेमोक्रेसी अरे डेमोक्रेसी क्या होती जनता के द्वारा जनता कैसी की तैसी ये डेमोक्रेसी और क्या होती
Oh my God! Look at our Netaji. He doesn't even know the definition of democracy. It is just because of growing unemployment in our society. People like us have to work under these illiterate leaders who don't know how to speak, when to speak, and where to speak.
Oh, is it totally waste of time? So let's move on.
No, wait please. I want to talk Netaji. Let the Netaji please listen to me. Netaji please.
The next scene is depicting the dhaba scene in which we are having different perspectives of the people. Some of them are optimistic and rest are pessimistic. So the scene is here.
हम कहा कर रो
अब तो देखना रहा फ्रेक ने चला रूम देख धर्राटे काट रही है धर्राटे काट रही है
मैं निकला ओ गाड़ी लेके रस्ते पे एक मोड़ आया।
राम राम गुप्ता जी।
अरे कहा भलाई सुबह सुबह काम में ना करण दिए। राम राम।
हाउ आर यू?
आई एम गुड एंड यू?
आई एम ऑल्सो गुड।
प्लीज हैव अ सीट।
गुप्ता जी एक गर्मा गर्म मसाले वाली चाय लिया मलाई मार के।
ओके।
आज जल्दी लिया ने।
गरम चाय चाय गरम गरम चाय गरम चाय चाय गरम। नेताजी की तरफ सो पी लियो फ्री को माल सब ने बड़े लगे।
आ गरम चाय ना आयु
पी के देख खूब गरम ही। गरम चाय चाय गरम पी लियो बाबू तुम भी पी लियो।
अपुर बोरे यहाँ में धकेल लायो के
अब तमन्ना फ्री की भी अच्छी ना लग रही। आजा हिन सुबह सुबह माथा खराब कर लो।
Have you heard something new? What happened?
Yes, tell me what happened.
About Surji's daughter Shweta. What happened? As they were asking for donation of 25 lakhs.
और गरीब का हंस देख 25 लाख।
सब पैसान को खेले बाबू भैया।
Yes, yes, जिसके पास पैसा है he can do anything.
Yes, yes, you are right. It's all about पैसा फेंको और तमाशा देखो।
See, Khan's son. He is average student, but because of money, he is enjoying his MBBS in one of the prestigious colleges. चलो छोड़ो यार, इन गरीबों का कुछ नहीं हो सकता।
It's so sad to see that talented kids in this region can't go to good schools or colleges because they lack money. We need to find some ways to help these kids, like offering scholarships and getting entire region involved in this regard.
Brother, this region progress is not the job of just one person. If you want to see improvement, we need to come together and work as a team. Without unity, real progress will be hard to achieve.
It's truly shameful that we are sitting here making fun of Surjit. If he wants his daughter to study and succeed in life, that we should support him. We should feel ashamed ourselves that we could not educate our children.
Brother, I also want to add something. Here is that this region can only progress if we work together. We need to have the same mindset. Let's join hands together to create a better future for this region.
जफरू भैया कह तो सही रहे हो आप, आपने मेरी आंखें खोल दी।
Let's pledge with me and join hands together to work unitedly for the betterment of each member of the society. I am pretty confident we shall move together with the times.
राहु भैया, हम अपने बच्चों को अच्छी शिक्षा के लिए कहाँ पर भेजें?
So far as my opinion is concerned, there are many schools in the region, but I shall advise please go to APS. Get your children admitted there and they are providing good education. Also, they have subsidized the girls' fees by 50%, including the hostel fee.
Brother, I also want to say something. Please listen to me.
हाँ भाई तू भी सुना, हम खड़ा खड़ा तेरी भी सुनेंगा।
I want to stress the need to change our mindset about daughters. In today's world, there is nothing girls can't do. For society to progress, we must support girls' education. To move forward, we need to educate girls just like we educate our sons. This is essential for a better future of all.
Now we all have understood that educating both boys and girls is extremely important for creating a better future of society.
As you have seen in this play, everyone talks about change, but few actually makes efforts to bring a noticeable change in society like Arauli Public School. Arauli Public School is the only school in Mewat that takes the half fees for the girls' education. This effort of APS makes education more affordable and promotes empowerment of girls in all communities in this region. We must remember that we can only move forward when we all work together in unity, as our actual strength lies in unity. Growth is painful, change is painful, but nothing is as painful as staying stuck somewhere you don't belong. Don't waste your time looking back, because life is not meant to be traveled backward. So let's evils existing in our society for long.
Remember, sticks in a bundle are unbreakable.
Alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much.
Individually, we are one drop. Together, we are an ocean.
Alone we are good, but together we are brilliant.
A single leaf working alone provides no shadow. If everyone is moving together, then success care of itself. बदलते दौर में जिसने बदल जाना नहीं सीखा कि बदलते दौर में जिसने बदल जाना नहीं सीखा उसे खुद डालती है गर्दिशे अय्याम खतरे में. So